Did you know that without the right winter prep, your garden could take a serious hit this season? All those beautiful plants you work so hard on could suffer, but there's good news. A few simple steps can keep your garden safe and ready to thrive in spring. Let's get into the must-do tips that'll make all the difference this winter. Hello, gardeners. November's chill is here, and it's time to get serious about protecting our plants. These steps are easy to do, but make a huge impact in helping your garden weather the cold months. 1. Clean up debris for a healthy winter start. First, let's start with a good cleanup. Removing fallen leaves, dead plants, and garden debris reduces the chances of pests and diseases settling in. A clean garden is a healthier one, especially over winter. 2. Mulch, the essential winter blanket. Now, let's talk about mulch. It's not just for summer. Mulch is an absolute lifesaver in winter. Spread a thick layer, about 2-4 inches, around your plants. This simple blanket keeps soil temperatures stable and helps roots stay warm even on frosty nights. Before the big freeze. Here's a tip that might surprise you. Give your plants a good drink before the first freeze. Moist soil holds heat better, protecting roots when the temperatures dip. Just water in the morning, so the soil absorbs it fully before the cold night. 4. Wrap up sensitive plants. For plants that are a bit more delicate, especially young shrubs or tender perennials, wrapping is key. Use burlap or frost cloth to cover them, especially if they're exposed to cold winds. Just make sure it's secure but breathable so they don't get too warm on a sunny day. 5. Move potted plants to a safe spot. Potted plants are more vulnerable to cold because they don't have the earth's insulation. If you can, move them close to the house, or better yet, bring them inside. If they must stay out, wrap the pots with blankets or bubble wrap to help keep the roots warm. There you have it, your essential steps for winterizing your garden in November. By taking just a little time now, you're setting your garden up to handle winter's worst and bounce back beautifully in spring. Was this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you're prepping your garden for winter. And if you want more gardening tips, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Let's keep those gardens going strong all year round.